While the split pea soup is cooking, I'm over here making the sofrito with the chorizo. Okay, it's cooking down. You can add a tad of olive oil. You can add it, you don't have to, you can. And then that'll just make a little bit more gravy in here. But we're just going to go ahead and stir this sofrito like this. And we want it, see how it's sizzling? We want it to sizzle up a little bit more. I have it on a high heat. And by the way, with the split pea soup, I'm cooking some rice, some white rice. And as you see, it's just regular white rice that we cook Spanish style, which we just do it from the whole grain. We don't use boxed rice. We just cook it from scratch, from scratch with some oil and water, salt, and let it cook down to long grain rice and nice and fluffy. So we have it setting there on the side.